You know what you want to research, but you cannot explain it clearly. AI won't write your dissertation, but it can help you clarify your thinking before you waste weeks writing in circles. Let me tell you how. AI can help you sharpen your research question. For example, if your question is too broad or vague, in my case saying that how does climate change affect agriculture? That's too big and you cannot answer it in a dissertation. Let me give you a prompt that may help you. I'm interested in climate change and agriculture in Ghana. My research question is, how does climate change affect agriculture? But this seems too broad. Help me identify 5 ways to make this more specific and focused. Then AI will give you its suggestions. Out of those suggestions, you can then decide which angle you want to go. Make sure your question is specific, focused, and answerable. Notice that AI did not write your question for you. It only narrowed it down. The next checkpoint, AI can help you test your arguments. Sometimes we think we have an argument. Meanwhile, it's just a topic. Now, let me help you with a prompt. I want to argue that teachers' burnout is a problem in rural schools. Is this an argument or just a topic? If it's just a topic, how do I make it an arguable claim? Then AI will think through the database and give you something to work with. Now, you can craft your argument, something that is arguable. Someone could disagree, but that's what makes it an argument. AI shows you what makes something arguable. You are the one that's brought out the specific argument. The third checkpoint, structuring your chapters. Sometimes we know our chapters, but we don't know what each thing should do. Let me give you a prompt that may help you. I'm writing a dissertation arguing that professional isolation drives rural teachers' burnout. I have 5 chapters: introduction, literature review, methodology, results, and discussion. For each chapter, what should its purpose be in building my argument? Then AI will think again and give you something to work with. Now you will see how each chapter will build your argument, but you decide if this logic makes sense. You will adjust based on your actual data. You will add discipline-specific nuances and then write each chapter in your words. AI will map the logic. You will execute it. These are things that AI should not do for you. Write your research question for you, create your argument, write any content that you'll be submitting, make final decisions about your structure, or replace conversations with your supervisor. AI is a thinking partner, not a decision maker. So before writing your next chapter, use AI to test your clarity. Is my argument clear? Does my structure make sense? AI will diagnose it, you will decide, and then write. Clarity first, writing second. I'll see you in the next one.